In this quick video, you will see how to undo strike through in Excel. If you have a text or a word that you strike through or crossed out text, then what you can do is just select the cells containing the word or a text. Then right click on the cell, go to the format cells, and you will see here font tab. Click on it to explore the options, and under the effect, because it is a strike through text already, so here it is right ticked, untick this option and click on OK, and this will remove the strike through in Excel. Now check out these useful videos shown on screen related to Microsoft Excel. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon.